VIP NFT dub plate special dub plate special. Easy Crew back once again with another video, wishing everybody a happy new year. Just wanted to fill you guys in on a couple of bits and pieces. I've still got the remix competition of the weekend. I'm going to go through that. I'm thinking about calling in a few heads to help me decide on the tracks to put through into the final. So that's kind of where my headspace is with that. And then on the final we can do kind of like a dub plate wars kind of voting style situation. Comment down below, guys, if you've got any ideas or thoughts regarding that would be great. Also, I'm in the process of trying to put together an NFT release, music NFT release for Original Don. However, I got into the space and I kind of worked out the pricing. First of all, let me just talk about NFTs. NFTs are an exclusive way for people who want to have a real unique piece of history. Like with records and vinyl and stuff, a limited edition vinyls, there's only like 100 ever made in existence, or only 10 test presses, and that rarity kind of makes it more collectible and also more valuable as well. With NFTs, they're kind of like digital releases or graphics, say album covers, etc., that you can tie to the cryptocurrency exchange, say for example Ethereum, or there's some other coins and stuff that you can tie it to. Now there's a market called OpenSea where people go to buy NFTs and they pay crazy money for it. Like, it's real insane, the new thing for artists, musicians, you know, graphic designers, etc., and they get into this NFT space and people are, it's really kicking off right now. But the thing is, because so many people are now into it, I managed to get an NFT finished, but when you go to mint the NFT, this is where it gets complicated, because there's such a thing called gas fees, which is where the people who mine Bitcoin, they charge their fee to convert the NFT onto the Ethereum blockchain. Comment down below, guys, if you guys have got any information you want to add to that. I may have butchered things up, but this is what my understanding of it. Now the problem is that I've come across now is the gas fees are astronomical. You know, I put a little NFT up there, I thought, yeah, this is great, it's unique, one of 20 copies, you've got your own copy, the value of it will go up and down with the Ethereum blockchain. And I thought, yeah, 50 quid, good price maybe. But then went to put it on the blockchain, and the gas fees, they want like nearly $200 just to mint it and turn it into an NFT. And with NFTs, if you don't get the price right in terms of the mint fee for the miners fee correct, it doesn't get prioritized and it gets put down the list, and sometimes it doesn't even convert and you still have to pay and you still lose your money. So you can't really scrimp and scrape with that. So it's a bit of an issue, guys. You know, we could do one maybe or two and stick them up there and see what happens, or we just carry on as we are. Let me know your thoughts down below about this, guys. NFTs are absolutely kicking off and taking off, and they look like they're going to be the future of exclusivity, and I would love to do, you know what I mean, I always like to do groundbreaking shit, man, but like this is like more pocket breaking shit than groundbreaking shit. Like, by the time I price up that NFT, because I can see how a lot of NFTs are insane money. Like, I've seen NFTs go for all sorts of change, right? And I could see why they're so expensive, because of the gas fees just to convert it. It's just no point otherwise, if, you know, people put it out there on a chance. And I've also seen some people getting some crazy Bitcoin for some, I mean, I'm not gonna diss no one's music, I'm gonna tell you this shit, but you know, I've seen some people getting crazy money for NFTs, and it's mad because it gives a lot of sort of artists a chance to really get paid, maybe stick it to the middleman, whatever, you know what I mean, however some people want to put it. But yeah, let me know your views on that, guys, and it'll be really interesting to see what you think and what you think of this NFT.
NFT. stands for non-fungible tokens. It's the biggest technology that's ever happened in the history of life, outside of things like fucking fire and like the printing press is the one that I keep going back to. Television, phone, fine, but this is like printing press 10.0. Contemporary artists should really be looking at this technology. I think it's a huge win for the artist financially and brand reputationally and for its early buyers. There was no option for them not to use the high market art world infrastructure, a gallery, an auction house. I believe this gives them options. What people are talking about are, you covered the Beeple auction, the $69 million sale and all that, but people are misunderstanding the smart contract and what it can do. These are smart contract visualization, right? Homes and leases. I can't imagine not every ticket being an NFT in a decade. Once I realized it was this big, I only know one move, all in. Every person that's watching this right now that is lucky enough to be alive in 15 years will own multiple things digitally. People are gonna fixate that it's just on collectibles and art, but it's a platform. Everyone's gonna say that you're just saving a JPEG, just like people fixated that social media was just for kids. Social currency. It's why Mercedes and Nike matter. It's also how you express yourself. This next 6 to 12 months, greed will take over. Everybody will put out NFTs. People will buy, trade, sell, steal, rip off, try to trick you and do the wallet. There'll be so much happening. It will collapse. There is an absolute guaranteed NFT winter coming. 98% of the projects will go to zero, but it doesn't mean the NFT space is going to zero. It means that the craze of the gold rush, just like internet stock in 99, will get people to make bad short-term decisions. That's gonna create a lot of headlines in 2023, 2024, that NFTs were a fad, NFTs were shit. But then, just like 2004 and 5 with the internet, when everybody made fun of people who lost money on internet stocks, the internet rose like a phoenix and ate up our world. I am completely convinced that's gonna happen in the NFT world. A lot of you right now saying you're never gonna own one. And all of you will. So do with that what you want.